Welcome to Linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install Landing CMS on Fedora34. Landing CMS allow you to manage landing pages in a simple cross-platform way. In landing pages, visitor land after clicking on a link in on email or on advertisement from Google, YouTube, Facebook, etc. It is not required to have a database for landing pages. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora34, and then I'm going to install Landing CMS by using wget command. Press enter. After downloaded, I'm going to unzip this downloaded package by using the following command. And then move the unzipped package to following location. Press enter. And then I'm going to give the owner name and group name for this following directory. And then I'm going to give permission for this directory. And then I'm going to open the Apache configuration file. Use this following command. Here you can create virtual host configuration detail. Then save and exit. And then I'm going to open host entry file. Make the host entry. Then save and exit. Now restart the Apache. And then go to the browser. Search here your domain name. Click here. Go to CMS. Here you can create new password. Then save. This is the dashboard page for Landing CMS. Click here. Add a new field. Enter alias Linuxhelp. Enter title Linux. Description Linuxhelp. Then save. Enter here Linuxhelp. Then save. With this process of installing Landing CMS on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.